Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can make every single thing that displays on your screen bigger, that includes the icons, texts, and every other thing. So first open settings. Then go on ease of access. And then after getting results like this, slide down to make everything bigger. And now click this button and then go on the second suggestion called 125%, and if you click on it, you will see that every single thing including texts and icons, including the taskbar as well, suddenly changed. And even the folders changed, comma. So if you want to reverse it back, simply go back and reverse the action. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.